In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to safely update Davinci Resolve. Start by launching Davinci Resolve. Before performing any updates, it's strongly advised to back up your projects as there's a chance you could lose them during the update process. To do this, simply right-click on the project you want to back up and select Export Archive. Choose a destination to save the file and click Save. Next, open a new project inside Davinci Resolve. If an update is available, you'll usually see a prompt as soon as the program launches. However, if you don't see an update prompt, don't worry. Head to the top menu bar, click on Davinci Resolve, and then choose Check for Updates. The software will now check online to see if any updates are available. If an update is found, a message will appear, click Download, and your browser will open a web page where the download begins automatically. Once the download finishes, locate the zip file, right-click on it, and select Extract. After extracting, open the folder and run the installer. The installation process may take a few minutes, so be patient. When the installer starts, simply click Install and the latest version of Davinci Resolve will begin installing. Once the update is complete, go ahead and relaunch Davinci Resolve. If you don't immediately see your old project, right-click anywhere and choose Import Project Archive. Then locate the archive file you saved earlier and open it. And that's how you can safely update Davinci Resolve without risking any of your project data.